Since you guys have been asking for a comprehensive review of this laptop, how could I disappoint you? So I am here with my Alienware Ryzen M5 laptop, and today I am going to give you the complete details and a gaming review of this laptop. So stay tuned till the end, and please do like, share and subscribe for more videos and reviews, because I'll be bringing you more unboxing videos and reviews of many interesting things. So without much further ado, let's begin. So this is the Alienware Ryzen M15 laptop, a beast of a machine with the CPU of AMD 5800H 8-core CPU. This is a powerful beast, and along with that this has an NVIDIA 3060 RTX, which is a 6GB VRAM graphics card. So along with 5800 and 3060, this is a performance master. You can run any games, any high performance tasks, any editing flawlessly without hanging up. So this is the power of this Alienware. It also houses 16 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of NVMe SSD. 16 gigs can be increased to 32 gigs with two 16 gig slot. It has two slots for RAM, and the NVMe SSD can also be upgraded with an extra slot is there, where you can put up to 4 gigs of SSD over there. So it's a completely upgradable machine. You can upgrade it anytime and it's future proof. Now coming to the styling, this one comes in the dark side of the moon color that looks really premium, as you can see. And along with that Tron lighting and the aggressive fans design, this is an eye catcher. Everywhere you take it, it will turn heads, that's for sure. So on the right side, it has two USB ports. At the back, it has a port of C-type, one more USB port, a HDMI port, and a power jack for plugging in the adapter. On the left side, it has the LAN cable and an earphone slot. So that's about the slots and the input and output of this laptop. Now let's check inside. So the lid is pretty nice. It has pretty nice hinges also. So you can open it till here. You can open it till here. You can open it till here, or you can completely keep it open. This will stay open. This will stay wherever you put it. The display is a 165Hz panel with really good color reproduction. So if you are looking for a good color reproduction HD screen laptop, this is it. Since it's 165Hz screen, the gaming performance is also pretty nice in this. This is an FHD 15.6 display. Now about the cooling part. Even with heavy gaming, I did not feel any stutter, any heat that much in the laptop, because it has intelligent fans that control its cooling. Yeah, the fan sounds could be loud at times, but that's it. That is because it's managing the heat. But that being said, even at the loudest, it did not disturb me much. It is quite a good fan and air vent mechanism that they have here. So this is really nice. The keyboard is also pretty tactile. It has a nice feel to it. It has 1.7 mm keyboard travel. It's silent, but yet that tactile feel is there, which really makes it a pleasure to type in. The shutdown and turn on is also pretty fast. Here, check this out. That's off. and that's on. See how fast it is. Let's try some games now.
Chit-chat or monologue? Just getting right to the point, huh?
So that was the Devil May Cry game, one of my favorite games that I've played. Let's check out Street Fighter now.
Street Fighter 5.
Yeah, I know, I always win. So that was the gaming performance for this. So even with that gaming, there was no lag, no stutter, no throttle, no bottlenecks. It is a really good performing machine. With all that power under the hood, it costs also a bit much. It's 1.5 lakh, and for that price range there are other machines that cost less with the same specs. So with that I can say it might not be one of the best valued laptop, but it is definitely one of the best looking and performing gaming laptops. And hey, did I mention it's an Alienware? The name speaks for itself, I guess. You can flex it anywhere and everyone will love this. So that's all from my side for this review. If you want any more informations, please do drop a comment and I'll surely reply to it. So that's all from my side for this time. I'm signing off. Please stay well, stay safe. Sayonara.